Okay, sorry, I haven't done the other one. Okay, I think you knew already from what I said about apostrophe and Q, kan? Anything with the glottal stop, or you have to use the apostrophe, ya. Uko. But I must say that there is a bit of difference na ngan tao Lundaya Bario ngan Seridan nak lah long lalang. They put two double O do radan karumi mala do ke do ini do nun baru mo kadang ya mo do kapan dia tahu kelabit inan dah malah kasar lah kan dia tahu no pelebut amgada. That's what I said. Language is not constant. It's always change. Decur. Okay, mau doktor ni ada deketan no ni ko menikal. Ngayod no ko. Malay di roan. Malay di roan ngayod. Kerap ko ngayod no uko. You can volunteer the others if you want. Uko. Malay. Ko. Naru. Naru. Uko, ya. Uko, ya. Malam you mai. Nan ketau. Mai seburur dengan seburur.
Ngai lah.
Ngai mo. Naruh ngai. Uko, thank you. Belepang. Kelepang, macam apa? Ya. Ulun bawang malah belepang. Nun, kelepang. Kerfang kan kita tahu lah. Kelepang. Am naruh karuh tahu? Karuh Lundaya. Karuh Lundaya.
Belepang.
Nagiang. Kali macam mana? Nagiang tanah turuyu. Nagiang. Baik kalau beri-beri nak leh. Nagiang. Ang. Nagiang. 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 Na tulo may mala ngui malam. Ngui ngirop lah. Petuwi kada. Ngui. To ya. Petuwi ka? Ngui. Lagu ise ngui. Kapan deh? Ngui. Ngui kan? Jarang. Na na ko. Libal-libal. Libal-libal tau. Sewa-sewa. Mau sewa-sewa? Mau naruh sewa-sewa? Bisa apa? Sewa-sewa dok ta? Ngui. Nani na? Ngui ba. Sewa-sewa. Ya. Oke. Sewa-sewa. Oke. Na kapan ni kan tahu? Na we are taking both the Lundaya and also Kelabit Miriit. Malay. Munad ni. Tulo ta maya na nai de. Karo tawa. Malay. Correct? Okay lah. Kapan sini? Na, a, ra, o. Because of the apostrophe. Naro. Correct? Correct. Oko. Salah. Okay. How do you pronounce this one just now in sekolah pelayan? Baku. U, ka, o. Uko. With the apostrophe uko. Dan semua kok pada. Uko. Nun sini. Ngai or ngai? Nun ini nah. Ngai. Okay. What is this complete? Ngai. If you say ngai, correct. If you say ngai, you have to add the okay, that's another thing which English doesn't have. My wife is a French, she cannot say this word. This is one character. Mutang, ngai. Nagah kada. Atila da malana. Ami dalam spelling na Frenchman. So nga Tulo ko mala ngai. You have to do an apostrophe kan? Ngai. Because otherwise ngai. Actually you can not. That's why the language committee have to decide whether we should use this or not use this. So I'm not the one telling us what to do with the spelling. So actually there is a language committee for Seridan, language committee for Miriit. Dr. This one is part of the language committee. Kelepang, correct? Butterfly. Ketau nak lah. Nak dia tahu ya. PH Kelabit Miriit oleh saya fa kerfang. Kerfang. Okay, let's see if the sekolah pelayan this one will be correct. L P H ang. Correct? Correct. Yeah. Kelepang. Negiang. Correct? Why? Okay. Nagieng. Inan na kartao. Nagieng. Good try. But we need nagiang. With a glottal stop here. You said nagiang. Nagiang. Okay. Nun sini na ba? Ngui. Kalian may sok ngui. Ngui. Ngak da mererup like nani da ngui dah. Petui kan kita tahu. Ngui. Okay, let's correct. Let's see this one. wa, i, ngui. That's correct. But if we write it this way, ngui. Is that correct also?
Glottal.
Huh?
Glottal after you.
Otherwise, if you put the glottal ngui
No, after you.
after you, ngui,
Ngui.
ngui. Huh? You can put double I, ngui, ngui. But I think a lot of people would want to use wa. But we can write ngui kayak ini betul. So this is acceptable. That's why the language committee will have to decide whether to accept both or not. Okay. Ngui. Sini. I wouldn't say which one I prefer because I will influence other people. Ya, mau oke. Kemu ini kan. Inan selalu Belanda na ilah. I forgot the term for it, but tulu ko naam pakai W. These two. Okay, that's controversial. No. How do you pronounce that one? We. So you don't need W, kan? Yeah. Okay. But you cannot. It doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay. Siwa. Siwa. Okay. Let's take the sekolah pelayan alphabet. Se, wa, a. Sewa. Because siwa. Okay. Huh? Should it be siwa? Si? Okay, this is very important also. Kadi napa mula lemulun naruh siwa. And then they don't use this thing, this dash. Then they said, oh, you're making mistake. It's only one siwa. But our language always have siwa. So that's why it's important for you to naruh sini lemrang deh. Okay. A dash. Okay, let's take a break. I want to refer to the Bible Bala Lugdo now. One of the reason for having our alphabet maya maya sekolah pelayan so that we can more or less follow what is already there. Naam tao naro mudut sa baru. So it is familiar to tulu tao ni na ayod lun Filipino atau ayod da Melayu ayod na nun kan tao ayod atau urit. Urit. Ngurit ah. Urit na pak karo kan tao. Forward kan. Pak buri, pak karu, pak. So the whole idea is our language is endangered. So if we want people to learn our language, we have to make it easily accessible, readable for people. So meaning we have to follow a lot of what is in the Bible, in any of the languages in Southeast Asia kan. Dia tahu dia naruh dia nak mikat lah. Chapter. So tulun dia in the Bible in the book of Matthew na ia malah in the introduction ia malah do mada tanah mula dae nange kanalah range ame muyu lun manu apu ngegala also with apostrophe ngedo tao lun na with a double o lah lun daya So this is taken from the introduction in the Bible, Matthews. In Yaya piana ne look na ideke. Correct or not? Ide eke e. You have to have an apostrophe actually. Ideke. Benar kah? Ideke. I think so. Otherwise, ideke. Yeah. Ideke. So that's why I took things from the Bible here. Kuda ngapa ke, anun ke, do dalai idi decur ta. Tudak. That's why I was using the word tudak. When we use two double word kaina mesti tahu pakai na kan? Dash. Okay, I'd like you to write in your textbook. Okay, ngayud na ngurit bukong kayu. Bukong kayu. Bukong kayu. Kalian main na, bukong kayu. Bukong kayu. Maksud buro. Nulis. Maksud buro. Maput. Taduan maput. Ketiga, maput. Ya. And then nuat anak. Ni na all it's a all ritual that we have. Nuat anak. It's part of the ritual, rite of passage. Nuat anak. Nuat. Kau pakai wat lah. Nuat anak. And then naam takana. Naam takana. Naam takana. Binuruk. You know what binuruk is? Binuruk. Binuruk. It's like a fish. Fermented, ya. Kayu nak kelad ngilad, anda muruk tadi ke, binuruk. Okay. Naam bit. Naam bit kan tahu, nun kan tahu lendaya. Naam tebut tiko dengar lah, am bit tiko kata. Naam teguang, am tegiu. Naam bit. Okay. Bit or also tegiu. How is tegiu? Tegiu. I want you all to write this, and then perupuk ulu, perupuk tengkorak, skull, perupuk, pesaro, perupuk, ya, perupuk, and then pesaro, pesaro. To scramble, to rush, to vie for, to complete for something, pesaro. Pesaro. To sengaro ya, pesaro. Sengaro, pesaro tidak ngena. Sengaro tidak kan? No, lun kelabit tahu, lun pesaro. Oke, itu baru
Nun last.
Pesaro. Pesaro. Nah. That we have to discuss. Yeah. Tali pound. Tali pound. Tali pound. Tali pound. Tali pound. Sudah ini deh, Bah? 11. 12 lah. Oke. Di ngeruyung. Di ngeruyung. Di ngeruyung. Di ngeruyung. Di ngeruyung. Di ngeruyung. Tahu di ngeruyung sini? Good. Di ngeruyung. Di ngeruyung. Okay, if you are done, exchange your textbook to the person third on your right. Third on your right. And then, yeah. Whichever, change to the third person, not whatever, third person, yeah? Yeah. Exchange. Padikoy. Mereca dia. Okay. Okay, what is the first word? Bukung kayu. Who want to volunteer? Bukung. Bukung kayu. Ngayun gini. Koleh. Bukung kayu.
Malay dia na.
Banyak inilah.
Sulang na bukung kayu. Maya di ko. Mo. Bukung kayu. And then, second one. I'm gonna ngayon. Ba. Iko. The second one? Nonde?
Second one.
Yeah. No. Ida. Bukan. Give me yours. Ba. Second?
What is it?
Masud. Masud, meh. Ngayon.
Ada ditulis.
Yeah, you just put Masud. And then we correct. Nah.
The base na kinala pa.
Masud.
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 Okay. Ikaw mo, yours will be
Masud tupo.
nuat anak. Anak. Nuat anak. And tababo, nung tabi ko? Tamabo. Yours is naam takana. Nuat anak de ko. Nuat anak mo. Masud bro. Na doktor binuruk. Lango naam bit. Naam pakana. Naam bit. Dala. Naam. Bit. Naam bit dengar. Naam bit.
Bit saja. Ini tidak betul ini.
Bit.
Bit saja.
Naam bit.
Dia bit mo di ko na salah. Bit ka.
Iko na
ambit.
Tagiyo. Ikaw mo.
Malay di ko doktor.
Mo di ko purupok ulo. Nani? Pesaro.
Ini de
Pasaro.
Pesaro sebenarnya.
Pesaro.
Pesaro.
Mo iko pesaro. Sengaro. Pesaro. Dengan ruyung. Dengan ruyung.
Itu telepon. Jadi yang
Raya yo dilangin. Raya urit.
Dele ubak.
Dele ubak.
Ma.
Dah ngam dia spelling sini wah.
Hmm.
Mana ada ni? Dok nak ada itu setia itu nani ni.
Ya.
Wah.
Tegio kuma.
Tegio.
Giyo.
Yo. Ayo. Wayo.
tidak
Kayu di UA daripada US.
Now, how do you say peningi? Peningi, papingi, lipadingi, lipadingi. Where? Where? Huh? Pedingi. Pedingi mo. You say pedingi mo. Kan? Pedingi. Pedingi lah. Pedingi. Okay. Last one is Dele Ubak and Pedingi. Pedingi. Hah? Bukan kah?
pedini kau punya.
Pedingi. Munan ini. Okay. Shall we? Let's start. Ni. Unga. Bukung, correct. Kayu. Betul. Maksud bro? Correct ah? Maksud. Buro. Very easy. Naam takana. Yes ini na. Okay. Naam takana. Yeah, correct. Nah, that's why a besar de a. And then our E is this one, huh? This is our E. Huh? Naam. Huh? Naam. Inan tupi na ka? Inan raong. Inan praong. No, it doesn't have this E. Nuat anak. Ngilad renga lun merar ngilad during children's rite of passage, and then inan nuat pakai dah. Pelin kanun ka di dan nuat. Na lam titro ka lam palad titro. And then they mention something about how you would be blessed, that you will be successful and all that. Nuat anak. This is correct? Ata. No. What? Not W ka? No. You can use W, but it doesn't need to be nuat. Tulo ko ma. How do you pronounce this? Wa. Nuat. So you don't need W kan? Correct. Yeah. Binuruk. Binuruk. That's correct. Binuruk. E kan? Not B-I-N-U. Anyway, correct. Naam bit. Naam. Should be naam. Kapa ngak narimala aam. How do you write aam? Correct. Aam. Aam. That's correct. Aam. Aam.
Âm lệ quê.
Aab. Tagio, correct. Tagio, correct. Perupukulu, correct. Pesaro, correct. Dengaruyung, correct? Yes, correct. Dengaruyung or kapa malam yo di ngaruyung ka? Di ngaruyung. Sekarang ah? But usually use di di ngaruyung. Di nganak di ai di nganak. Di nganak.
Dengan anak.
So that's why the committee have to choose or make some choices. Either it's denganak, senemu, sinamu, or nun dengeruyung. So this is dengar, uyung. That's correct. Dele ubak, dele.
DELE apostrophe.
Ada
DELE. Topi.
dale. Okay. Dale. Okay, how is the correct one? Without this one, you can say because abasa kan. But the Kelabit, Barrio, and Longlalang, they use EY. It's not wrong. But for us, we use
No, they don't use EY.
Hah? Ya kah? Just kayak ni. Ada topi. EY ya. EY. Tegio. Okay. Inan lo tegio. Inan tegio na.
Inan.
Okay, who is tegio? Oh, tegio. Tegio. Okay, that's one also we should have read. How do you pronounce this? You. So we can do without or we can use it. So it's not wrong. Ubak. Ju. Pedingi. Namin ni Kelabit kedenak. Tahun. Pedingi, correct. Mo. Okay, super. Ma dok leh.
Two different words in that. Padingi.
Padingi or pedingi?
Padingi is separate.
Padingi.
Is separate.
Padingi. Okay, anuin na ngitun ngentau. Na because okay, nanalan. Ka apa deh? Nanalan. Do you want nalan or nalan?
One word.
So which one is correct?
One.
Second one. Okay. Who say the second one is correct? Nanalan. Who say the first one is correct? Why nobody say? So all those people who didn't raise up their hand on the second one should. Okay. Now I think the Kelabit language group, I think they do something like this. Nanalan, naruh de peruyung ko. So we then they remove the ha. Tulo ko na. If you also pronounce this nanalan tadi kan, because they say that if you don't pronounce the thing, you don't need to write it. Nanalan, kan nanalan. So you don't have to use the ha. But, we can use it because we are still learning. Nanalan. Okay, anything that you would like to raise up? Huh? Ubak. Munad. Delay. Oh, sorry. Delay. Ka. That's correct. Yeah. Ubak. Delay ubak. Okay. 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 One of the reason nun inan tao naro karo luka ini exercise luka ini so that we can like I said, standardize our writing system. And number two, so we can preserve our language lah. Preserving our language, and the third one is teaching our future generation. Naro we research kan lunta Kelabit Meriit malam, and some Seridan. 63% of families don't speak Kelabit to their children. So why is the language endangered? Kadi naam taulun merar ko na pakaro ngan Kelabit ngan anak adik. And like I said just now, if we have a standard writing system, then we can start to write books. Lino tao, kerap tao naro di dalam na buku. Tu anlun bakan baca lah mesti anak adik tao. And also naro na buku kuan children's book lah, very important. One very important thing, kadi na satu na malam, I want to do the language, Kelabit language forum ni cultural museum ni nak malam ni Kuching but the Rorum Kelabit somehow not room lah muti Rorum malah am karab. There was some politician saying that not yet mutang, so I scramble to bring it to Miri, and then approach na MEC. Idan na organize the Marriott malam, Marriott for one day, and I think it's a blessing from God in a way, because tulo na rin ni ara anak sekolah misa lat ni MEC na riak ida jadi pastor dah kan. One language in Papua New Guinea, ida ni there are 250 people. After a while, they abandon their language. We know why? Because their pastors speak. It's not like it's bahasa. It's called Creole, something like Creole. Bahasa nak lah in between. Because to them, bahasa sini ni bahasa orang putih, in between orang putih dengan inilah Malay. So they all move to that. Because it's a prestige language according to them. Again, inan non pastor mari me ngajar dalam sidang sina, ida karoi naman. Betul, they use the same language. So slowly and slowly they don't teach their children their tayun ka language, something like that. After few generations, it disappeared. So that's why it was really important for the pastors the anak sekolah ago belajar karuida ngajar ulu deme lam kampung Kelabit mesti dah ngajar, mesti dah nani, mesti dah manda ago lam Kelabit lah, not in Malay, not in English, because they are the most important people. People look at them very highly, pastors, because they are most important people. So it's very good. Renga na during our conference in Marriott, immediately we asked the pastors to pray Kayan, Lun Bawang. They speak, they didn't pray in English or in Bahasa. So it was really good. Very important. Because one of the reasons why I am very passionate about it this current years, is because United Nations, bangsa-bangsa bersatu, Actually, 2019 they have Year of Indigenous People Language, and then 2022 for a decade. Puluk laka, 2022 to 2032 is the year of International Year of Indigenous Peoples Languages. So actually, what they have is called action. They have some. All the government who signed towards this convention have to work towards promoting, supporting the learning of indigenous languages in their country. This is the third year now. Malaysia has not done anything. Not even telling us that this is the year of indigenous people's languages. So to me, the onus is on us lah. Kali tahu no karo tahu na la pupus ka na midi. So it is up to us to spread the word and to teach other people about it. So that's why next year or this year I will have another conference, probably with a lot of different people from Sabah, from UNIMAS, Mari, and then one woman from Copenhagen, Denmark, and 2 professors from Canada will be coming for the conference to talk about what other people are doing in Canada, in Denmark. Actually, one of these professors from Denmark, she is a leader for indigenous working group at the United Nations. So they will be coming. So I think that's why I feel it is very privileged for us now to push for government to support what we are doing. Taking action, right? Yeah. They're supposed to do some action, but they're not doing anything. So again, like I said, it's up to us to do it. But I think this is what I leave you all with lah. I'm really happy mawang niat ngan muyo na mari we discuss all these things. And how do you find it? Useful? Yeah.